Yes. Ruphashree, you're okay. This is good.
Now
She's done. Good. Middle, vidital, yeah, neat circle. Okay. Yes. A small circle and big circle.
Okay, now color the big circle.
Okay.
Only the big circle.
Only the big circle. Super. Yeah. So we are done so far? Are we done so far? Change.
Get the paintings back home, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So every day we hand over whatever they did. This paperwork we hand over to the parents, and the paintings, of course, the last day we will hand over.
Yeah. Okay, Ranitha. Is this? Sorry. Are you ready?
No, it's okay. Devika.
Take this pen.
No,
Okay,
I
Rupa.
want to go here because I already did the colors.
Very good.
Try doing it only
Slow and steady.
Starting
Rupa,
only
நல்லா
one way.
வந்துட்டு இருக்கு. முடிச்சிடலாம்.
one way, just one way.
Very good.
Just one way.
One way shading. Yes, that is helpful. That's a good idea, la?
Endle caution பண்றேன்.
I'm only doing my tear here.
Yes. Just maintain one way shading. Her hair and her face.
One second.
One way. Like your mom said, remember?
Just a sec.
One way. She said all the nice things you want.
Okay, you know what?
She doesn't say that. box, maybe. Yeah. You can wipe. Where's the shoe? Here. Yeah.
Okay.
Luckily, it's in space.
Very good. I guess we are done, isn't
I
it?
want to make the line. for
Keep
you.
this
Where-
brush
where's the
aside.
black from you?
1 second. I'll ask
So,
you more.
oh, black is very
Mm.
easy. That black.
One.
Give me, take some black. Little, very little.
Okay.
When I
Show me, Rupa, how to do. So you are cleaning with the. Poduma. Clean it. Okay, now you go and clean it there. Put your fingers also to clean. Then it will be more clean. Yeah, very good. And then with another. Yes. Is it clean enough? Just take color. Maybe you want to put it back there and clean. Put it back there in the other one and clean it properly, and then. Yes, very good. Very good. Clean? Much better?
Let's go.
Day 3, we have one painting fully done, another painting. Oh, you're doing hide and seek or what?